Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Instabridge ESim, which is a data service that promises affordable global internet without a physical SIM card. But is it really worth using in 2025? Let's just try to find out in this video. Now, before proceeding, the link of this particular ESIM website will be linked down in the description, so you can check that out as well. So, Instabridge actually offers instant activation, no contracts and coverage in over 190 countries. That sounds amazing for the frequent travelers, but here is we are going to break it down. So if I talk about the pros for this eSIM, so it is very easy to set up. You just have to download the application and activate the eSIM in just a few minutes. The plans are also affordable as compared to the traditional roaming charges. There is no need to swap the physical SIM card as well. So these were some of the pros. However, there are some of the cons that you need to consider before actually going for it. Like there is no availability. Meaning that it is not available on all the devices. It only works with eSIM compatible phones. It is also limited customer support. Some users have reported slow responses. The speeds can also vary depending on the location and the network providers as well. So your question must be whether you should use it or not. So in my opinion, if you travel often and if you want a hassle-free data solution, it is a great option. But if you need super fast speed or a 24/7 support, you might want to compare it with other eSIM providers. And I have also created a series of videos on this topic, so you can just go on my channel and take a look at those as well. So you can definitely try Instabridge if you want to. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.